Hello, my name is Shannon Brody, and I'm going to share with you 4 simple steps that every small business owner should take before you hire or employ anyone. And then I'm going to show you a really cool software tool that you can use to do this with. First step, create an organization chart. An organization chart is a depiction, a picture of all the positions and departments in your business. Number 2, make a list of the work each position is accountable for. So list out what their accountabilities are. Number 3, write down the simple tasks of how that work is done. So list out all their accountabilities and then write a simple description of how that work is accomplished. What are the steps to do that work? And then the 4th, and this is key, hire, train, and manage your new employees with these 3 tools. So first step, build an organization chart. This is a simple picture of an organization chart. So it's basically a graphical depiction of your business, departments, hierarchy of managers, key positions. So you can take even a Word document like I'm on now and draw boxes and arrows to create the organization chart. So this could be box 1, and then you could do a line that goes down, and then do another box which shows the departments underneath, and then you can put in text into each of these boxes and write out what the position is, like bookkeeper, and then spread that box out. So build an organization chart. Second step, list out the accountabilities of each position or box on the chart. So you'd write out simply bookkeeper position. Then you're going to start to list what does the bookkeeper do. Number 1, accounts receivable. Number 2, accounts payable. Number 3, collections. So list out the work, the accountabilities of this position. Then start creating tasks for how to do each of these work items. So accounts receivable. What is the first task? Task 1, run AR report to tell what are people owing. Number 2, task. So write out each of the tasks. Go through the work, do it yourself, and then simply jot down what the tasks are. Once you have this set up, position title, organization chart, list of accountabilities, a description of each of the processes, the tasks within each of the processes, then you've got a basic management structure that you can use to hire. So I could look at that list of accountabilities and say, what qualifications does the person I want to hire need in order to achieve these results or be able to do this work? Hire that person, train them with that list of accountabilities, and more importantly, the steps or the tasks of how that work is done. That becomes their training. And then manage them to those accountabilities. So I'm going to quickly show you here a tool called Touchstone that gives you an infrastructure for all of this. Now, you saw me simply do it in a Word document, but here's a fancier software tool that you can use to achieve these results. So this is an organization chart. You can add boxes to this chart and edit existing ones. So I just hit add there, and then here's this new position. When you click a position on the chart, it takes you to what is the listing of the processes or the work that position is accountable for. So that was step 2. So let's go back here to the organization chart, and I'll show you this example. So build org chart, step 1, easy to do with this tool. Select a box from the chart, and you're taken to the job description or the listing of the responsibilities, accountabilities of this position. So you see they're all listed here. With this tool, you just go add new process, and you can add more work. Once the processes or the work is listed, like here's that accounts payable, If I select this process, then it takes me to templates or tools that I can use to document the process with or create the tasks. So this is step 1, step 2, step 3, add tasks, build them in. You can even put images. So this is the piece where you're listing out the steps or the tasks. So in the end, what you have is a nice organization chart, a listing of what each position is accountable for, the work that they're accountable for doing, and then ultimately the training, which is the step-by-step for how this work is done. So with the Touchstone tool, these functions are all built within the tool, and it makes it easier to go through this 4-step process on how I believe no small business should hire or employ any employee until they have these 3 basic things and they're using them to hire, train, and manage. Thank you.